Welcome to the class. This video is one of my first ones to try. I know I don't have a very good camera, so I apologize. But I wanted to convey and at least get a sense of this new system that we're using for online learning. The SNHU is using the new DTUL system. It will be an interesting system. And I've used it before. I like some of the features. This is going to be new for both you and me, as I've taught using this particular system before, but I have not taught at SNHU with some of the restrictions that they have for me as an instructor. There are some areas that I don't have as much access to as I usually do. But on the other hand, it is a very wonderful system that it does keep things focused for you and will, as far as organization, work quite well. What I would like you folks to do is, if you need to call me, there's a phone number on the faculty bio along the, that side, along this side of the screen. So, you know, it's going to be over on this side. And as you take a look at that, you know, you'll see an email and you'll see a phone number. I think I have a Skype thing there. We'll have to set up something for Skype if you need to call me, or if you'd rather go through Skype. I usually prefer you know, either email or you know, or telephone. That number is there for you to use. I have my office hours listed on the calendar, and you can call me during those designated times at any time. Oh, wonderful. So if there are any other questions, or if you have any issues, welcome to the course. I'm coming from upstate New York, so it's a little chilly right now. We're facing, I think tonight it's supposed to get to a high of tomorrow of -2. So I'm not going to be going anywhere. So thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you all.